let's go all the way back to your liberal arts college. I went to liberal arts college. You graduated probably knowing next to nothing. Well, you obviously didn't know EBITDA then, but tell me about how in the world did you end up at uh, as a trader?
Yeah, so it's interesting. I had no idea I knew I wanted to be in finance, but I had no idea what the different job functions, the different types of firms, the different types of roles that were available at those firms were, because resources like Wall Street Oasis were not really in existence or prevalent back then.
Yeah, we
Things were
started in
done.
'06, your senior year. We started.
Yeah. So things were done way more word of mouth.
Yeah.
And, I went to a very highly ranked liberal arts school, but finance wasn't one of the big career paths that people generally chose out of my school.
Mm-hmm.
People tended to go to grad school more, or go to law school, or go right into different types of professions, but not finance. There was usually like a couple people a year tops.
Right.
So it was more networking amongst alumni, networking amongst my personal network, and just seeing what the few people I knew who were doing in finance, who were older than me at school, to get a little bit of a flavor what the different roles were.
Mm-hmm.
So it
Did you
turns
know
out,
what like investment banking was your junior year? Did you know what like trading was? And
I had like a decent idea, but I
Yeah.
definitely didn't know, I didn't have the big picture, right? Which I feel like you can easily get the big picture reading the forums, reading the guides that are out there.
Now you can, yeah.
Now you can. But
Yeah.
then it just wasn't available. I knew what like the analyst or the, the junior trader role, how it was different.